Hello everyone and welcome back to Art Not Life Sailing. Today we're going to do a fun installation project. So what I want to do is we have our solar panels right here which hang over our dinghy and our swim platform, and we have our aft navigation light way down here. But when we're sailing and the dinghy's up high, that light is just shining on the dinghy and reflecting back at us in the cockpit, which does inhibit your night vision a bit. What I'd like to do, and what we're gonna do today, is I have a new light. We're gonna move this one up here onto the back side of the solar panel. That way we won't see any of that light while we're sitting in the cockpit. And we're gonna install a light underneath the solar panel, like a courtesy light, so when we're coming and going at nighttime, we can see where we're walking, what we're doing. As well, it's kind of a security benefit because it shines down on top of our dinghy. Unfortunately, a dinghy engine did get stolen here in Liveaboard. It doesn't happen too often. Unfortunately, there's people we know. That's awful. It's a brand new engine they just bought. Yamaha 15 horsepower Enduros. They're the #1 stolen engine in the Caribbean, or probably anywhere for that matter. Unfortunately, it just happened, and with this light, it'll be a bit of a security because it'll shine down. Thieves don't like to be in the light. So that's what we're going to get started on today. What I got made here in Liveaboard is this nice piece of aluminum. This is going to cap underneath the solar panel. It should fit right up there with a little bit of modification. And my courtesy light will be mounted on here, and then the stern light will go behind that, facing the back of the boat. So if the solar panel's here, when this ends, this will be facing this way, and the wires will all run inside of this. This of course will be flipped the other way. We were lucky enough, our friends on Sufflage Gel, Stefan and Mika, they gifted us these wires, and this is just what I need to feed the wire into the boat from where it is. I've already made the connections here for these lights, so that's already connected and powered up for the courtesy light. That's underneath the floor here right now, like in the ceiling inside the boat. So we have to run a wire from the back of the boat to this location, and then that will be able to be hooked up. Okay, so what I have to do first is make a feed line, snake line, or whatever you want to call it. I have a grommet here, and I have a grommet down here on the davits. So this is where the wires are going to be fed. I'm going to go ahead and feed a line down that. Got these wires already, got them attached to my lead line, and I'm just going to get Mary up here to help pull that through. It's going all the way up through and through that small hole at the top. Once I have it through, I need to pull enough to go around here, and then the rest will have to get fed down into the boat, which will be the next challenge. Alright, I started fitting this up here just because I can't really show you while I'm holding it, while I'm putting it up here. You can see that's where our wires are underneath it, and this is going to go over top of those wires. So what I'm going to do is mark where I'm going to notch this. I'm going to notch it in a way that it can't actually fall, even if I'm going to rivet this together so that if you put stainless screws in this, they will corrode together. So I'm going to use aluminum rivets, and I'm going to notch into this and slide it in place so that even if the rivets fell, it would still hang off of this, and mark where the wires are going to go into it. Alright, so the next stage here is mounting this rear light. This is with a stainless cover. You can see it's acrylic, so I'm not going to use a rivet in there because they could very easily just shatter this. I'm going to use the stainless screws, and that's going right on the very back lip of the solar panel facing back. So this one's kind of tricky. I'm going to raise up that dinghy and climb inside and try to reach it from the dinghy side. The tricky part will be probably marking and drilling the holes for it. We'll see how that works out. Okay, that's it for the time being outside. I got my piece there installed with both the lights. The wires are all tucked up nice and tight. And then down here, took a bit of effort to get all those wires fed through because I didn't want to cut them yet. So all I got to do when I'm all done here is reseal this and screw it down and seal this. We're gonna move on to the inside now and get this wired up. All right, so this is inside the boat now. This is where my 3 wires come out. So I've got my yellow wire is the positive for the courtesy light. The blue wire is my new stern light for navigation, and the white is my ground or neutral. Now I already ran the wires in the other room to the switch. I'm gonna just ground the negative there to a connector that's nearby there, and then I'm gonna ground this one. I just did a test wire here. I'm gonna ground this to this connection here. This is the same ground for the lights and the stern light. There's no need running another ground all the way to the front of the boat or midpoint of the boat because ground is ground. You don't need a dedicated line. This is all low voltage stuff. We're just gonna bring this ground here, tie it on, bring this yellow here. The yellow is going to connect to the orange, so it's gonna go right here. And then I'm going to feed the blue wire through the ceiling to the other room there where you can see some stuff hanging. Alright, there we go. We're all wired up and we're going to test this out in the dark. In the meantime, I'm going to start putting this together because I'm pretty confident I got it. So check back in a few minutes. Alright, it's really dark in here, so I'll turn on my first set of lights so we can see. And then this is the new light we just installed today. So these are our cockpit lights we installed in a previous video. And this is our new light installed. You can see it really lights up our dinghy. And we might even leave this on just at nighttime as a security precaution, because nobody wants to steal a dinghy that's lit up like a Christmas tree. It's always super peaceful and quiet here at nighttime. And we're gonna go to bed now. Good night. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. And we'll see you next week.